Meaning of ethnicity.
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 Ethnicity. Ethnicity refers to a category of people who share common cultural characteristics such as traditions, language, religion, and history. It involves the identification with and membership in a particular group with a shared background. Ethnicity can also encompass physical characteristics like skin color and facial features. In some cases, it can refer to a political or social construction rather than a biological one. Understanding ethnicity is important for understanding diversity, social dynamics, and cultural heritage. It can also help promote tolerance and respect for different cultures and traditions.